We are going to be taking a quick look at this all-new Ford Expedition.
This Ford Expedition is a newly redesigned full-size family SUV, which is really nice looking. This one is the Tremor trim level, and one way to easily identify this is with this gold accent all over it. This is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine that is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This produces 400 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. And when you come to the rear, you get this really nice LED tail light and this LED light that is integrated onto the rear lift gate. One thing that is new on this new Expedition, you get this lift gate that opens in two places, so it's just like the Range Rover. You can open the top, and when you are done, you can actually close it by pushing this button right here. And to close the top, you also have another button here that you can close. This one currently is a 7-seat passenger configuration, but you can get up to 8 passenger seat configuration. One thing that is really nice about this Expedition is that in the interior you get this massive screen, and in front of the driver you get another massive screen, which I think is really nice. This Tremor trim level has this massive panoramic roof, which I really like. And one thing that Ford always do is that they know how to utilize space. So under here you get this massive storage compartment, but also here you get this electric button. When you push it, actually this Tremor trim level is equipped with these 18-inch wheels, and this has a permanent running board, which make getting in and out of this Ford Expedition to be very easy. So what do you think about this Ford Expedition? Please leave your comment in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, and share. I will be coming back to do more reviews on some of these cars. Oh, another thing that is really cool about this Expedition is that you can actually tow up to 9,600 pounds, which is very impressive. That is like the towing power of a truck. So what do you think? Leave your comment in the comment section, and I will see you next time.
Gentlemen, and welcome to the Ford display. If you can hear my voice, mighty hot, the auto show. If you have your eye on it